Oh, thank you, thank you. This is probably the coolest parking lot in Buffalo. Look at this. People are like, what is that?
Like, those are
oh, thank you, thank you.
How much something like these cost?
Oh, anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000.
And what do you call them?
Electric unicycles. Yeah, move it forward and back. Yeah, see?
Oh, wow.
Nice. Have a good day, guys.
Sicilia, give a nice hand to Signore Di Rovaletta.
Such a tall freestanding building. Look at this. Old railroad line, look at that. This is probably the coolest parking lot in Buffalo. The fact that it's inside of like an industrial museum. There's no holes in the fences, I've looked. These are grain silos. They're just empty tubes. There's actually holes you can look into right here. Goes around. Whoa. Wait, what's down there? I've never even seen that. Hold on, hold on. I have never been down here. Look at, you can see in there. Look at, oh my gosh.
Hear people?
No. Yeah, did you ever go here? This one's fun.
When I was younger, my dad came.
Wow. The bog. How about working here? Look at the deer. Yep. Mm-hmm.
For what roads? So much untouched land out here.
I think sitting's harder.
Yeah.
No, he usually just does his own stuff. Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah.
What the? Go up the hills.
Huh?
Go up the hills on the... Should I go down? Woo!
Easy.
Easy. Kind of nice.